You all remember Minnie publicly humiliating and bullying Londi London on the Real Housewives of Devon on a national TV, and she didn't care, whatever. And later on, she was given a chance to apologize, which she did, but in her own way, not according to what she was ordered to do by Londi London's attorneys. And I'm thinking in this moment, maybe she thought time has passed. She has even went and gotten married and gave content on that, so maybe people have forgotten, not realizing that this is a long-term investment. People's hate towards you right now is a long-term investment. Until you do the right thing, nobody's forgiving you for nothing. I feel like in this moment, if I was her, I would have taken this chance to make that public apology. Because it doesn't seem like people are going to forgive her anytime soon unless she does that. So I would have really taken this chance if I was her and apologized genuinely to the whole country, the whole continent, but especially to Londi London. Otherwise, she's going to continue being booed. And it's not a nice thing at all. But hey, as people, we are different. Otherwise, let's continue this in the comment section. Also, remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.